Here we will write a program to accept list elements and a number and print the list elements that are less than given number. So first in comment line we will write first we will declare empty list in which we are going to store the list elements. Then we will accept the number of list elements that we are going to accept from user. So n equal to int input, enter total list element to accept. Then we define integer variable I which is initialized with 0 and we will use while loop. So while I less than n, we will accept the list elements from the user. So e equal to int input, enter list element, and we will append this value of e to the list. So L dot append e, and we increase I. So I equal to I plus 1. Then we will accept the number. So num equal to int input, enter number, and we will use for loop. So for x in L, we will check if x less than num, we will print x. And then we execute this. I will give total list element as 5 and I will enter the list elements. I will give the number 5. It will print list element less than 5 as 4. Here we will write appropriate messages. So before while loop we will print list elements, and before for loop we will print list elements less than, and here we will print num, and we execute. I will give total number as 5 and I will give the list elements and I will give the number as 7. It will print list elements less than 7 as 5, 6, 4.